enwere ihe a na-akpọ rituals. Amaghị m ihe mma akpọ ya n'Igbo. Ma akpọ ya aja. Mana aja, ọbụla aja niile bụ ritual. Unless ma emeziri aja ahụ, o wee ghọọ ritual. Ritual bụ, according to otu nwa onye ọcha si wee kọwa, set of action done repeatedly, set of rites or actions one do repeatedly. Human life, the universe at large, the world you see, it is actually rituals that set things in motion, that make things happen. Rituals make things happen. Rituals shape events. Rituals changes situations. Rituals maintains the flow of energy. Any ritual at all, whether it is spiritual or whatever, as far as it is ritual, things, set of actions you carry on repeatedly. It can be every minute, it can be every second, it can be every hour, it can be every day, it can be every month, but done repeatedly. Your brushing in the morning is a ritual. You do it every day. Sometimes brush in the morning and at night. That is ritual. And what effect does it produce? It keeps your mouth fresh. No odor. Eating is a ritual. And the one thing about ritual is that it is intended for giving purpose. Eating every day is a ritual. You eat every day. All of us are ritualists. You eat every day. Sometimes you eat in the morning, you call it breakfast. You eat in the afternoon, you call it lunch. You eat in the night or late evening, you call it dinner. These are rituals. And what is that particular ritual intended for? To maintain this your physical body, the energy. Now, when you go to a river, flowing river, you will see the river in constant ritual. In constant ritual of flow. The river constantly flow every second, every minute, morning, day, night, 24/7. Water itself is in continuous ritual, unending. It continues flows. Where is the water coming from? Where is it going? That motion continues. It is a ritual. Just be paying attention. I want you to get something. The sun comes out every morning. It is a ritual. These are natural. Even nature maintains herself with rituals. You understand? Like in the river, that constant flow of water maintains the cleanliness of that water. Anything any water you see that is in constant flow can be considered healthy for drinking, provided no more to pollute it. That constant flow renews the cleanliness of the water and keeps the path of flow always alive. The same thing with the sun. The sun rises every morning. I want to pass the reef and the on now. Anyanwụ bụ ọjị. Chukwu na-awa every morning. Ọjị. Chukwu na-awapụta ụtụtụ. Owele ọjị. O wee kpọkwa ife niile o kere eke. O wee nye decrease. Onyecha ọwa dị ọjị. Ọwụwa. The ọjị break forth with light. Light here was this anyanwụ. I na-afụ every morning. Ọwụ ka bụrụ inu maka ndị ghọtara mana ihe ọ bụ. Mana onwe ihe nchọrọ ịkọwalụ gị. The sun rising every morning is a ritual on its own. Natural ritual. Ritual that maintains this plane of existence. Now, rituals maintain the flow of energy. Rituals maintain the life in something. You yourself, human being, you are in constant ritual. Just like the water or in a river flows every second, every minute, every time. You breathe in and out every second, every day. And that breathing in and out is actually a ritual that sustains your existence. Now, you have seen that your life is defined and sustained by rituals. It is also good for you. My advice to you today is that you map out specific line of action that you will be doing either every minute or every hour or every quarter an hour or every 3 hours or every 6 hours or every day or every 4 days or every month. I mean simple ritual that you, even if the sky is falling on the earth, you must do it. Whether you are on the sick bed or not, you must do it. Whether you have money filled in your pocket or not, you will keep doing it. Whether you are hungry or not, you can do it. I am just telling you to map out for yourself and have a purpose for the ritual. The purpose for which Chukwu Okike breaks the sun every morning is to sustain life that it have created in this realm of existence. The purpose the water in the river flows every second is to maintain the freshness of the water and also to make sure that the path of its flow never gets stagnated. The purpose for which you want to establish this ritual, let it be between you and the Shigi. How secret can be? Secrets can be. You can use rituals to move mountains, no matter how small. Let me tell you, may onye ordinary, may onye church, may an atheist, may Muslim. When the ritual can work for you, Onye na-akpọ m chelụọ. Mma agbachi ya gị ọ. No matter who you are, no matter what you believe in, ritual can work for you. You don't need to believe in any particular thing for ritual to work for you. It is a line of action done repeatedly. That repetition, that consistency is what builds up the mass of energy that move things. And I got here now. When I beg, map out for yourself a ritual. Remember, it is the rituals you do that sustains your existence. Ritual help to maintain the life in you as a human person. Imagine what your life would be like if your natural body stopped the ritual of breathing in and out. What will happen to you? You go just buy and I want to hear now, because that ritual is intended to sustain the air inflow and outflow within you. Now imagine what your life would be like if you stop the ritual of eating. If you stop performing the ritual, this daily ritual of eating, imagine what will become of you. I want you, map out for yourself a ritual that you will be doing for whatever be the purpose in your life. Let me tell you one, no matter whom you are, ritual can work for you. I was once a Christian, a Catholic, and the rituals, Catholic rituals, I was very, very good at them. Especially rituals that have to do with devotion to Virgin Mary. Emana rosary, ritual. Rosary. Ibe rosary. I mean, this Catholic rosary comprising of 20 decades, which are drawn from the life of Jesus Christ, and then which comprise of Hail Mary, Our Father, Glory Be, at some point. Emana that temple ritual. Ezinwa Anaedo that you see here, I have again on a Catholic church, I have used the ritual of daily praying the rosary to move mountains, both in my own life and then the lives of people. I have used it to heal the sick. The rosary, that ritual, consistently. In a rosary like this, you will be hearing consistently, Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus. You will be hearing this repeatedly, and somebody that don't understand the effect, the power of ritual, they are boring. Rituals can be boring, but they make things happen. And let me tell you, it is actually not the Jesus, neither is it the Mary you are calling on that ritual that is actually moving that mountain. It is the mass of energy that you keep building up by that constant repetition. When the energy gather, how do I put it? Energy is in constant flow and motion. By rituals, you'll be able to create new channel for the energy, and then direct the flow. It's just like go to Igana River on the Ehu, and then you now go to the river, You now drench, you now a kind of ịwalụ mmiri ụzọ. Ịwalụ mmiri n'ịsọ ka mmiri anụnwa. So to a tap, you might go to create a channel from that river, so that the water can flow from to another direction. That is what rituals do. Do you know what that is what rituals do? Create diverting energies, creating paths for energy. That is rituals. That is what rituals do. So it is not as if no Jesus Muhammad na born at that rose be bele. What is simply doing the work there is what? The well casting. The well, your human free will that you are casting. And the mental focus on your beef and direct that energy. Let's assume that you want to pray the rosary for 1 month for a sick person. For a sick person. Now, your intention, your will is already that this person be healed. And then, through that your daily prayer, that's your daily recitation, or that ritual of that rosary, you are channeling energy of healing to that person, because you are saying that ritual with that person's name. The person is the final bus stop of the energy you are invoking. You are invoking. The person is final recipient. One, that person will eventually be healed. Whether you are a Christian, you are a Catholic, whether you believe in the Mary or you believe in the Jesus or not. It is not the Jesus or Mary that you are calling that is doing the work. What is doing the work is you. You are the one channeling energy, directing energies. And many energies that are on flow, constant flow in the universe and the world. Flowing with various wavelengths, frequency and all that. And I what how pure spirituality can do you understand? So even as an ordinary person, you now say, okay, Akajiọfọ, okay, for the next 1 month, I am going to practice daily Akajiọfọ unbroken for so intention. It is actually a ritual. Maybe I want to do this Akajiọfọ for the next 1 month with Nzu. For so intention. For 1 month to maranatia every day, whether man na one man na dendo. Man near them now for model, my god model. I did do am. You will channel your energy for that 1 month towards that particular one intention. One day you must move it. Okay, that's intention, okay, move. And I what here na gbage. So here na gbage here bona. Ritual does not segregate. Are you a Christian? Are you whatever? It is not even what you believe in that does the work. Oh, here na try again. Your chi na one there. Shut up there. Your chi, your personal, that's your personal energy. Chi. Na one does only nesogi as a human person. Naturally with you. That powers those your thoughts, those your will, your intention and all that, and directs energy flow according to your will. And the ritual is not about whether ritual go work for you. What they talk am. Ritual does not segregate. It does not ask you questions. It does not ask you, do you believe in Ajan? Do you believe in Odin? Do you believe in God? Or do you believe in Jesus? It does not ask you those questions. That is one thing about ritual. But can you be consistent with this? Can you exercise the discipline to be consistent, unbroken? Can you be faithful to this action? No matter how big the action is, no matter how small, can you be consistent with it? Onye ihe a na-agwọ na about daily ịga ọfọ. For example, maka ndị ọdịnala, daily ịga ọfọ. Somebody na-ajụ m, Ezinwa, I have not appeased and I have not done ịkpa ibu mmiri. Can I do daily ịga ọfọ? Wetin concern daily ịga ọfọ and your ịkpa ibu mmiri? Is the daily ịga ọfọ not part of the appeasing of ndị mmiri? Ezinwa, I have not known my shi. Can I practice daily ịga ọfọ? Wetin concern knowing of shi and the practicing of a ritual? So, ihe a wụ obere ozi nsị ka nzi ọnụ tata maka ndị nwere uche nghọta. Maka ndị nwere uche nghọta, ekenere m ọnụ. Mana ọ challenge ka m na-enye gị. Build for yourself a ritual. Just choose. And the one thing about ritual is that ọ bụrụ ife a na-enye mmadụ. That is like ona ndị ụka si eme ejekwu fada. Father asị oke ngba jee kpee rosary for 1 month. Ma ọ bụ ejekwu pastor asị ngba gụọ Psalm 23 for 1 month. Ritual should flow from your mind. It should be personal. It should be inwardly prompted. It should be personally designed and motivated. It is not something you do because someone else asks you to do it. It is something that flows out of you. It is self-discipline. Rituals. Ị na-aghọta? Ọ bụrụ mmadụ gbara Chukwu ya na-awa ọjị, ya na-awa anyanwụ everyday wee na-awa. So wee bụrụ ya. I don't want to give you a specific ritual. Choose for yourself. Choose for yourself. I have met one person. I'm agbara m on na Ezinwa nwekwara spiritual motivators also. I have met one person, a lady. The lady is from this our Anaedo. Mana mma about the particular town na Anaedo. O nwere ihe mmụta from this lady. This lady bụ one thing mmụta n'aka ya bụ constant ritual of fire. I mean, constant ritual of fire ritual. 247 ọkụ anyụ. Yeah, but one ritual that I learned from that lady. And this ritual works like fire body. The ritual is about that na altar ya ebe ọ na-anọ wele agbakwuchie. That na natural light, fire, never go out there. Whether ma ọ bụ n'ụtụtụ, ọ bụ n'efi, ọ bụ n'abalị. 247 constantly. Ọkụ enwugo n'altar for years now. Anyụ. Candle. Burning of candle. Ihe ọ na-ego candle bụ na carton. Ndị nnukwu anụ enwucha ya enwe ya ofu onwuo like 5 or 6 days. Tupu anyụọ nya ka ọ na-ego. Ọ mụ ya nke ahụ nwucha owetakwa ọzọ ọmụịkwa. Nke ahụ nwucha owetakwa ọzọ ọmụịkwa. In a year, this lady burn cartons of candles. Ọ sị na ọkụ ada anyụ anyị n'ọta. It is a ritual. Just so choose your own for a particular intention. And then I shall mota that ritual na kia. And I got choose for yourself. Map out one for yourself. Choose any one. I don't mind begging key choose. Malanyang men key name. And dedicate it for whatever intention. Ke what I na ihe Ezinwa na-akọ na-eme na-akọfụsi akụkọ ka ọ na-akọ ihe wee eziokwu. It is ritual that move things. It is not your belief in anything. Rituals. Rituals is about believing self. At the bottom line of the idea of ritual is believing self. But you are God. Na ya bụ Chukwu ị na-achọ nọ n'ime ụka obi. Ị na-aghọta ihe na-ekwu na mmụọ niile na-achụnyere aja ma chi gị ma ndị mmiri ma aja anọ ma whatever na fanche niile ebighị ebi n'ime. You are the center of the God. Believe in self. Onya the only energy rituals ji adị ile. That is the only thing that powers ritual. Believe in self. Not believe in something outside of you. And I have to stop here. Ezinwa from today till next tomorrow. Up and day I got. I have to stop here. That don't mean chetan na every nkwo. Ezinwa na-eme ajasara aka na obi maka ndị nwere mmasị isonye. It goes on every nkwo. Chat me on WhatsApp 08032477868. My name is Ezinwa Anaedo. I come for a total restoration of ordinary Igbo.